Leg curl, you want to make sure the pad is a little bit above parallel. That way the resistance starts as you start the movement. For example, if I had it all the way down here, it's an extreme example, there wouldn't be any real resistance. Same thing, if I had it here, right, the resistance wouldn't really start until the last third of the movement. So I'm setting it up, I want it to be, at least a little bit above parallel. All right, so for the seat, I want the seat to be in a position where my legs are supported, but I can still fully get my ankle behind the seat. So for my leg length, this looks pretty good. Next, I'm gonna bring this down nice and firm. I want it to be borderline uncomfortably pressing into my thighs. Next, I grip these handles firmly, squeeze my abs. There shouldn't be an arch in my back. This is what you want to avoid, right? So flex your abs, chin down, grab the handles firmly. A repetition is when this pad is all the way underneath the seat. That's a good rep. That means you need to go lighter on the weight or change the position in which you are on the seat. All right.